Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the daily S&P update for today, the 13th of March. And everything really worked as planned. We came up in our fourth wave target, got rejected in the standard fib retracement level for wave 4 between the 38.2 and the 50% retracement level. That's between 5,665 and 5,705. And from here, we did expect a reversal to the downside. And that happened, honestly, and yeah, I think right now the idea is at the moment that we are in the fifth wave down to finish minor wave C and intermediate wave A. And also the fifth wave consists of 5 waves, which I've brought on the chart right now. Let me go on the 1 hour time frame. So in my view, we did already the wave 1, labeled here in white, wave 2. We are in the stages of wave 3, then we have another wave 4 and another wave 5. And that at the moment, ladies and gentlemen, should finish our correction right now. I'm going to draw now a target box around here. And the target box is projected right now between 5,507 down to 5,430. In this area, I do expect at least a reversal to the upside. I'm going to go back on the 4 hours so we can see that. If we find support in my target area down here, I do expect an ABC move up to the upside in wave B. That's intermediate degree as well. Expected afterwards a C wave to the downside. And for now, these targets I have brought here on the chart, which are now in the right color, they're gonna move with the price. Okay, so as deep as we go, these targets will shift with the price. It's a moving target right now because we have not our low in place right now, because we do expect a little bit more downside as projected in the first few minutes here, and afterwards we should find support in this area and get a 3-wave move to the upside. So as I said, these targets will move with the price, but for now, first of all, we have to focus now on the bottoming process here, that we can confirm a low here. And I think, as I said before, the wave count to the downside is relatively full. And so I really do expect some how you say it in English, some reaction down here, okay? And we exceeded the 61.8, which is the first common target. Then we have the 100% extension at 5,393. In between, I have the lower degree fib extensions here between 5,507.25 and 5,507.25 and 5,430. So this is at the moment my support area. I do expect a bounce. The alternate scenario could be still, okay, and that's what I want to bring up again here. It's a short hint that we could move down in a WXY from our highs. So that would be our primary wave 3 from the high here, that it could be a WXY structure. And the Y wave in itself, like we have a WX, and the Y wave in itself would be a 3-wave move as well. So it could also be that we just come up in the B wave here in yellow in the alternate scenario and still come down in the C of Y, okay? And then we should need to shift our Y wave target to the downside. We can project that as soon as we get confirmation which wave count is the leading one right now. But we just have to be open that this scenario could also happen, okay? That we still have one more bounce here in the B wave and then get another C wave, and that the intermediate wave A would go here, and also the minor Y wave. Yes, the minor Y wave would go over here, okay? So that then would be our finishing point of that move. So that would then only be the first leg down. Then we should get another B wave and another C wave in the alternate scenario in yellow. The white count at the moment is the leading one because we have a nice move to the downside right now here. That would project that we're going to get our intermediate wave B afterwards. But for now, I think we have to really take it step by step and see what's happening, okay? Because, as I said, the wave count is full in my view, very close to be full. Maybe one more low, another lower high, and another lower low. And that could finish everything here right now. And then I do expect at least short term a little bit of a bounce. Let me just put up the volume profile so we can walk over that. Okay, see value area low. Whoops. Value area low, at least on the 4-hour time frame, is still above us. And that's in line with my 61.8 retracement level here. Point of control on the 4-hour is still at 6,130. And the first big volume spike or the higher volume node comes into play just above the 61.8 here. So this could be an area of resistance. If we want to go higher from here, we could find resistance here and then come back down. And that possibly can lead to the WXY scenario. Let's see how this plays out. I think first of all, we have to find our low and then count the counter trend rally to the upside if this is the yellow count, or if this is already the intermediate wave B. We have to see. I cannot tell you that right now. We have to look at the nature and the structure of that move to the upside. But for now, I think we are relatively safe here because we have both scenarios on the table. I don't think that we're going to thrust through everything. I mean, if there's something bad happening, I cannot really focus on that because I'm doing technical analysis here. I want to leave the fundamentals behind, but it could still something happen, okay? And it just shoots through everything here, okay? I'm not expecting that. It's not my primary or my highest probability right now. I do at least expect a bounce here in the alt B wave. Let's see, but yeah, for now, let's focus here on this area, and then we got some clarity. And I think I cannot add really much more today. And if you're interested on the higher time frame, because I did a video yesterday about the bigger picture as well, feel free to watch it. And if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up button or leave a thumbs up. And if you really like the video, I appreciate every subscription on my channel. And yeah, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any daily updates from me now. And I wish everybody a nice evening and talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Ciao.